Today, I'm super excited to share with you an amazing natural remedy for your skincare routine: banana peels. Yes, you heard me right. Those humble banana peels you usually toss away can actually work wonders for your skin. Let's dive into the many benefits and a few simple ways to use them. 1. Banana peels are fantastic for reducing acne. They contain anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help calm breakouts and prevent new ones from forming. Simply rub the inside of the peel on your clean face, focusing on areas with acne, and you're good to go. 2. Banana peels are rich in vitamins A, B, C, and E, which help to lighten dark spots and blemishes, leaving your skin looking radiant and even-toned. Just a few minutes of gentle rubbing can make a big difference. 3. For those of you battling dry skin, the natural oils in banana peels provide excellent hydration, making your skin feel soft and supple. It's like a mini spa session at home. 4. Got puffiness or dark circles under your eyes? No problem. Applying small pieces of banana peel under your eyes can help reduce puffiness and lighten those pesky dark circles over time. Leave them on for about 10-15 minutes, rinse with cool water, and voila! 5. The anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants in banana peels fight free radicals, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's a natural way to keep your skin looking youthful and fresh. Okay, now that we know the benefits, so how to use banana peels on your face. 1. Direct application. Take a ripe banana and cut off a small piece of the peel. Gently rub the inside of the peel on your clean face, focusing on trouble spots. Massage in circular motions for 5-10 minutes, leave the residue on for another 10-15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Don't forget to follow up with your regular moisturizer. 2. You can also make a banana peel and honey mask. Blend a banana peel into a paste, mix in a tablespoon of honey, and apply it evenly to your face. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water and moisturize. 3. Banana peel and lemon juice spot treatment. Scrape the inside of the peel to collect the pulp, mix it with a few drops of lemon juice, and apply to dark spots or acne scars. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. And for an under-eye treatment, cut small pieces of banana peel and place them under your eyes for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with cool water, and you're done. Remember, use fresh banana peels and incorporate these treatments into your skincare routine 2-3 times a week. If you have sensitive skin, always do a patch test first. So next time you enjoy a banana, don't throw away the peel. Give these tips a try and see how your skin transforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. See you next time.